On Friday, 5 people were arrested, including a minor, in connection with moral policing at Someshwara beach of Mangaluru city in Dakshina Kannada district. The name of the arrested individuals are Yatish, a resident of Ullal, Akhil, Sachin and Suhain, residents of Talapadi, and the minor boy is the associates of these 4 individuals. Police said these guys are connected with a Hindu organization. On Thursday, the accused attacked 3 male students, Jafar Sharif, Mujib and Ashik, hailing from Kerala, who were visiting the beach with female classmates. The victims are paramedical college students from Mangaluru. The accused noted that the 3 male students belonged to different religion and followed them. Accused ambushed the students, interrogated them and assaulted them. The victims suffered minor injuries and were hospitalized. The female students were in shock in light of the event and returned to their native place in Kerala. The students who were attacked filed an FIR with Ullal police. Police had formed a special team to nab the accused in the moral policing case. Security and police patrolling has been strengthened after the incident at the Someshwara beach.